Frequent flyer, flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyers back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer? Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support, and if you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend a warm welcome. Hope you enjoy the content. And tonight we out here with the Riviera A5. Now, I did do a video on this guy a little while ago, but this guy is a inverted flyer, so this guy can do flips, half flips, and end up upside down, and it'll fly inverted. And it has like this, I call it a 3D headless mode. Whereas if you flip this guy over this way, if you do a front flip that way, then the rear becomes the front, and so you can still control it as normal. You won't lose orientation or anything like that, have to reverse any controls or anything in your mind. And so pretty easy to fly still, even though it flies inverted. And it does do full flips as well, but you have to, it's on a certain channel. I'm flying it with deviation, and it seems like it's sometimey. I really don't get it. I set up one switch to activate the full flips when I hit the flip button, and it happens sometimes and sometimes it doesn't. Still haven't figured out how to get it to do full flips all the way, but it does do the half flips, and it's a pretty nice flyer. I think this company Riviera has rebranded this drone and got it from ATOP maybe. It has the ATOP protocol that they usually use for their drones, which is the CG023, and so it flies on that protocol. It even has the naming scheme of ATOP, the A5. You know, ATOP uses that A in their naming scheme. And so this company Riviera is the only company I've seen with this drone, though. I haven't seen this drone with the ATOP branding on it or anything like that. And so it's a unique drone, one of a kind, definitely, because it's large and it's an inverted flyer. I don't think I've come across another large inverted flyer like this at this size. I did see a brushless one that was really a lot larger than this one, and maybe one a little larger than this one, but they were both brushless drones. This one is a brush drone with geared motor setup, and so that's unique as well. And pretty decent night flyer. Does have lights. Let's get this guy in the air so I can stop talking you guys head off about it. That should be enough information for you on it. Let's get this guy in the air. No altitude hold. Check it out. The funny thing I did find out about this thing is that the yaw is pretty slow when it's right side up. Check it out. That's the yaw when it's right side up, really slow. But let's check out the inverted flips. So we're inverted now. Check out the yaw. The yaw is a lot faster now. We can do awesome funnels now. Flies better upside down than it does right side up. Does sound weird too. Sounds like it needs some oil or something. Now let's go right side up. The pitch seems like it's the same though. Doesn't matter which side it's on for the pitch to be nice. Just affects the funnels though when it's right side up. Can't do any nice funnels. That's the funnel. The best we can get of a funnel when it's right side up. Let's see if I can get it to do full flips. As of now, I can only get it to do these type of flips. Half flips. Let me bring it back over here. So let me hit that switch. Yep, see it did a full flip there. I got it in full flip mode. Check them out. Doing full flips with it. Let's see if we can do a loop. Kind of shaky on the loops. Here we go. That was an awesome one there. Let's try it again. Okay, let's try to get back into half flip mode. Inverted flight. Here we go. Check out the funnels when it's inverted. Oh, I forgot to mention that I did change the power lead on this guy. It does take my favorite batteries, the stick batteries, the high voltage packs. Okay, let me show you guys that 3D headless mode I was talking about. So let's see the right side up now. And turn it sideways so I can do this. We're going to do a half flip backwards. And now the rear is the front. Because of the way that it flipped. Now I'm flying it backwards. When I press forward, it flies backwards towards the back. And that's so you don't really lose orientation, don't have to worry about anything. And to get it back right side up and facing the right direction, you have to do another forward or backwards flip. So let me show you guys another scenario that can happen. Okay, we're in that mode with the 3D headless mode in effect. Let's flip it sideways. And so now the rear is still the front. And so I'm flying this guy backwards. Nothing to break your brain or anything like that. The controls stay the same. So I'm pressing forward to actually fly this guy backwards. I know it's weird, but it works. And so to get it back in its correct orientation, I have to do a forward flip or backwards flip and then do a side flip. Here we go. And so now we're back to the normal flying with the front being the front. And there's something flying around out here. I just saw a shadow of a bird or something. Maybe it's a night hunting bird or something. I thought this thing was something to eat. And I'm feeling some raindrops too. It's starting to rain out here. So the last thing, this thing does have headless mode. Oh, and it's trying to go down on me. We're at LVC. This guy actually still flips when it's in LVC. But let me show you guys headless mode. Ah, it landed on me. So that's all the flight time we have with this little battery here with this guy. And so pretty awesome flyer here. It's the A5 from Riviera, which is what I think is actually the ATOP A5. Either way, awesome flying drone. It did have some prop guards on it. I removed those, and it's still an awesome flyer. Thanks for watching.